Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video. And today I am going to be reviewing this one particular eyeshadow palette that I am absolutely loving, and I think it is perfect for the beginners also. This can give you so many eye looks with just one palette. तो अगर आप लोग मेरी तरह मेकअप एडिक्ट नहीं हो तो आप लोग ये एक आई शैडो पैलेट ले सकते हो और फिर उससे कितने सारे आई लुक्स क्रिएट कर सकते हो. इस वीडियो में यू विल सी मी क्रिएटिंग so many different eye looks with using just one palette, right? And that palette I am talking about is this one right here. This is Eye Canvas eyeshadow palette in the shade Celestial by K Beauty. ये पकड़ने में इसकी पैकेजिंग एवरीथिंग लुक्स वेरी वेरी हाई क्वालिटी एंड ऐसा फ्लिम्जी पैकेजिंग नहीं है जो हमें जनरली मिलती है. एंड दिस रिटेल्स फॉर 1799 rupees, which I think is a pretty good price for so many eyeshadows that you're going to get. There's a matte shade, there are two matte shades in this, there are two marble shades in this, and then there are so many glitter shades in it, and it comes with a full size mirror. तो अगर आप कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे हो या कुछ है तो ये मिरर आपके लिए बहुत बहुत काम आने वाला है. एंड द ग्लास की क्वालिटी भी इतनी अच्छी है, यू कैन लिटरली सी एवरीथिंग. और अगर आप कहीं बाहर हो या कुछ है तो आई थिंक ये आई शैडो पैलेट can help you with doing all your makeup when there's no mirror available, because the mirror quality is very good, the size is good, and everything looks just perfect. Coming to the eyeshadow palette, अगर आप देखोगे तो इसमें 4x3 है. So there are 12 shades that come into it, जिसमें से 2 shades marble हैं और बाकी glitter shades हैं. There's a black and there's a pinky peachy shade which actually is perfect to create those smoky eye looks, and at the same time you can also create so many day looks with this. And you saw that's how the swatches are looking like, and this has very interesting color scheme going on right here. It has got some really good shades. This silver looks like silver, but it has this nice golden shimmer to it, and this one looks so wet. Like I have that right now on my eyes, and it looks like it gives me that wet kind of look that's trending nowadays. The glitters are very easy to work with, they are very easily blendable, and here are going to be the 3 eye looks that I created using this one palette, and they are so different from each other. One is like giving you that galaxy kind of vibe which is very dark, and if you want to go with something really dark and heavy, I think this dark makeup eye look looks really good. And you can see that even the black is so beautiful to work with. And then you see the one that I have created on my face right now. This one is looking equally beautiful. You have the smoky winged liner kind of going on, where actually I have not used a winged liner. I have just used this black eyeshadow palette from this palette, and it looks so beautiful, and it's giving that wet look. And if you see this third eye look that I have created, it's very soft, very beautiful, very day-like, and it looks absolutely stunning. So these 3 eye looks can easily be created using this one palette, and you can create so many more. If you want me to do more eye looks using this palette, please let me know, because I have this series on my channel where I use one eyeshadow palette and create multiple looks. 3 तो मैंने already यहाँ पे create कर दी हैं, but other than that, if you want me to create more, because the kind of eye looks that you can create using this eyeshadow palette is endless. So I would love to do that. अगर आप लोगों को चाहिए तो please comment section में नीचे मुझे बता दो. And guys, from this video you can already make out how much I love this eyeshadow palette. I think I have got the worth of every penny that I spent using this eyeshadow palette, because I see myself reaching out so much for this eyeshadow palette. So I think this is a very good beginners friendly eyeshadow palette, or for people who don't want to spend money on buying multiple eyeshadow palettes. This is the one that you should go for, and you can create so many looks out of it. And yeah, that's all for this video, and I think I will give a 10 on 10 to this eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation is very soft, the glitters are very soft, they are easily transferable, and they are very smooth to work with, they blend out very quickly, so everything's good. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you like it, give it a big fat thumbs up, and if there's anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be so happy to do it. Until next time, take care, ta-da!